Python audio processor.
Easily process audio files in Python.
What is AudioProcessor?
It's a handy Python library that makes audio processing tasks much simpler. This package provides a wide range of audio processing capabilities such as recording, voice-to-text conversion, text-to-voice conversion, and audio playback. With AudioProcessor, you can record audio from your microphone and save it as a WAV file, convert audio files to text, convert text to audio files, and even play audio files.
What are its key features?
Key features of this package include simple and easy to use interface. Supports recording audio from microphone. Voice-to-text conversion for converting speech to text. Text-to-voice conversion for converting text to speech. Playback audio files. Supports various important audio processing tasks.
Installation.
Installation is quite simple, just make sure you have the following packages installed: PyAudio, PyDub, PyDub_effects, speech_recognition, WebRecVed, TTS.
Install it.
You can easily install these packages using pip with the following command.
Usage.
To use the AudioProcessor package, you just need to import the AudioProcessor class and create an instance. For example,
how do we record audio with it?
Recording audio is simple with AudioProcessor. Simply call the record_audio method with the file name you want to save the audio as, like this.
How do we transcribe audio to text using this package?
Converting an audio file to text has never been easier. Use the audio_to_text method to convert speech to text, like so.
How do we convert text to audio using this package?
Converting text to audio files is also easy with AudioProcessor. Simply call the text_to_audio method with the text you want to convert and the file name you want to save it as, like this.
Can we also play audio using it?
You can play back audio files using the play_audio_ file. This method will play the audio from your saved file.
Parameters.
The AudioProcessor comes with many customizable parameters such as frame_duration_ms, frame duration in milliseconds for voice activity detection, default 30. Sample_rate, sample rate of the audio in hertz, default 16,000. Chunk_size, chunk size for audio playback, default 1024. VAD_mode, voice activity detection mode, and integer between 0 and 3, default 2. Log_level, logging level, and integer between 0 and 50, default logging. Warning.
License.
This project is licensed under the MIT license. You can access the package at https://pypi org/project/AudioProcessor/. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.